Hey guys, this is AKS745 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Blu-ray DVD player from LG, and its model number is BP175. So I already took it out of the box, and let's see what came with the box. There was this remote, the power cord, a battery, and the instruction manual. Okay, so now let's unbox it. Okay, so it has this rough texture and it's black, of course. So on the front it has the LG logo and also the CD disc tray. Then there's the CD disc tray open and close button, the power button, and the USB port. So now we'll take to the back. It has this DC input, which is 12 volts. Then there's a Ethernet cable port and a place for your HDMI cable. So on the bottom, it's also aluminum, and on top it seems like plastic. So now let's unbox the other stuff. There was this remote. Okay, so it's pretty small and normal. It's made out of plastic, of course. And so there was also a power cord. Okay, so here it's like a normal power cord. You can connect it into the wall socket. So there was also this battery, this little battery, and the instruction manual. So now you've seen everything getting unboxed. Now let's hook it up to the TV, put a CD in it, and see how it works. Guys, to set up your DVD player, you will need a Ethernet cable and an HDMI cable. Okay guys, so you have to connect one end of the Ethernet cable into your DVD player and also one end of the HDMI cable into the DVD player. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cord into your router. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into your TV. Also connect one end of the power cord into your DVD player. Connect the other end of the power cord into a wall socket. Okay guys, so after you've turned on your TV and DVD player, you want to go to settings and make sure your DVD player is connected to your Wi-Fi, and it is, so I'll go back. Now I'll go to premium. Okay, so for me it opened automatically, but for you guys it might ask your country, so just select your country, press OK, and then it'll ask you for a software update and press OK, and after that it'll bring you to this screen. So you want to select one of the apps, and then it'll say, do you want to install? You press yes, and it's gonna download. So it's downloaded successfully. Now you just press launch. Okay, so after it's done loading, it'll show you whatever app you're trying to go into. Now you just have to sign in. So after you've signed in, it should work perfectly fine, but make sure to know that there's only selected apps that you can use on the DVD player. Okay guys, let's see what happens when we put a DVD in here. So you'll open the disc tray, put the DVD in, close it. Now it should read the DVD, and on your TV, it should play it. And now on your remote, you want to press disc menu. It should, yep. You could press play, and then it should play your movie. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more content. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.